हमारे पाकिस्तानी स्टार्स हमारे साथ हैं और फाउंडेशन की तरफ से उनको अवार्ड दिए जा रहे हैं। फरज जाफरी भाई, कैन यू अनाउंस द स्पेशल?
We always do it, that we announce Pakistani Australian of the Year, and this year we have Mr. Rahat Munir, distinguished professor Rahat Munir Saab, and we have selected him for his services. I would like to request Mr. Distinguished Professor Rahat Munir Saab to come on the stage, please. Our next star is Dr. Nigat Naseem Sahiba for her excellent performance in the community.
Wow.
Please come on the stage.
She's a writer, she's a poet, she's a doctor, Masiha, beautiful person, Dr. Nigat Naseem, our proud Pakistani community member. Dr. Sahiba, congratulations. She's a writer of more than 10 books. Our star, our community star, our proud Dr. Nigat Naseem. Congratulations, ma'am. Next one, sir. We are lucky. हम बहुत सरखेज कम्युनिटी हैं और हमारे पास बहुत प्यारे प्यारे स्टार हैं और हेरा मारी डिनर एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे। Next one. There's a lot of syndicate, but okay, ji. Next one, sir. Did you see the? Oh my God! They all are very emotional.